Reasons of child labor.
Continue.
Reasons of child labor, effects of child labor, and solution of child labor. How we can overcome and reduce child labor. So if I start from the meaning of child labor refers to the use of children for a source of labor, for a source of labor, uh, while while snatching the fundamental rights from them and child labor is also referred as a exploiting of child for financial gain. Work work as a child work that place children in a situation that is socially, mentally, physically, and morally harmful and dangerous. We can also define child labor as to perform work which is legally prohibited to be performed by a children in a certain age group. Such type of work is also referred as child labor. So that is my point of view. According, what are your point of view on the child labor?
Then I'll continue to the causes of child labor. The main cause of child labor is illiteracy, pollution, population explosion, poverty, illiteracy, and failure of failure of social welfare schemes. The main reason behind it is insecurity towards the financial conditions of poor peoples, so that the children have to labor labor in our country, which is very wrong. So we had to pay attention towards it, and then anyone continue to the affections of childhood labor.
First of all, I want to add some more points in the causes of child labor to the adjust point, that is poverty. When children who come from the poor family may also be forced to work to support their siblings and parents because their parents are not able to generate the income due to the lack of employment opportunities and due to the uneducation also. And low aspiration is also the one of the reason for the child labor. It is important for the parents and children to understand the value of education and to inspire their children to educate more and more and to get better education opportunities. And huge demand of unskilled labor is also the one of the reason for the child labor. The demand of unskilled labor in our society is high, so children which are mostly unskilled and provide a cheap source of labor also attract the hungry employers towards the child labor. And early marriage is also the one of the reason for the child labor. Marriage at an early age is a major contributing factor for overpopulation. Young parents are not able to generate the source of income for the family, so that
Stop.
they can attract toward the child labor.
All are failed in this GD. ओके, रिजल्ट क्लियर हो गया। अगर 10 नंबर का जीडी है तो 0 नंबर है। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। खुद से आइडेंटिफाई कीजिएगा कि क्यों आए नंबर 0। ठीक है, मैं नहीं बताने वाला, खुद से आइडेंटिफाई करना, सोचना। रिकॉर्डिंग दूंगा, इसको देखना आप लोग और देखिएगा कि क्यों 0 नंबर मिले और ऐसा हमने क्या किया। हमने इतना अच्छा बोला भी, इतना अच्छा सुनाया भी, किसी ने बिल्कुल ही नहीं सुनाया, किसी ने थोड़ा सुनाया, किसी ने बहुत सुनाया। तो सर क्या रीजन है कि 0 क्यों मिला? सो खुद से सर्च करो। अगर तुम अभी एसएसबी में हो तो समझ लेना इस जीडी में तुम फेल हो। स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ।